Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time offset in Nuke. Time offset is a powerful tool that lets you precisely adjust the timing of your animation or footage. Imagine you have a shot that needs to start a few frames earlier or later. This node makes that process incredibly simple and efficient. It's fundamental for achieving perfect synchronization and creative timing in your compositions, giving you complete control over your visual storytelling. To begin, simply add a time offset node from Nuke's time menu. Once connected, the primary control you'll use is the time offset parameter. A positive value, for example, 10 frames, will shift your footage forward, making it appear later. Conversely, a negative value, like -5 frames, will move it backward, causing it to appear earlier. This intuitive control allows for quick and precise adjustments to your clip's timing. Time offset has numerous practical applications in visual effects. For instance, you can easily retime an explosion to perfectly align with an impact, or adjust a character's action to match a specific beat. It's also excellent for creating delays, perhaps making a ripple effect spread across water after a splash, or staggering multiple elements to appear sequentially. This flexibility empowers you to achieve complex and dynamic timing with ease. For more advanced workflows, consider combining the time offset node with other time-based nodes, such as time warp or frame hold, to build intricate animation sequences. You can also leverage expressions to create dynamic and frame-accurate timing adjustments, linking the offset to other parameters in your script. Always remember to check your frame ranges and ensure your source footage extends sufficiently to avoid unexpected cutoffs when shifting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.